Hi and welcome. In today's class, I shall discuss correction of trial balance. In the earlier class, I have discussed the theoretical aspect of correction of trial balance. In today's class, I shall show you in the board how to correct an incorrect trial balance in practice. Here we have got two trial balances. One is incorrect and the other one is correct one. This is incorrect trial balance. Trial balance for the year ending 31/12/20. Now before correcting a correct trial balance, what we have to keep in mind, the thumb rules of preparation of trial balance. What is the thumb rule? Thumb rule of preparation of trial balance is that all assets represents debit balance, all liabilities represents credit balance, all income represents credit balances, all expenditure and losses represents debit balances. Personal account may have either debit or credit balances depending on the nature of transaction. If it is debtors, it would have debit balance, and if it is creditors, it would have credit balance. Provision, all reserves and provisions represents credit balance excepting reserve for discount on creditors. All liabilities like bank overdraft, loan from bank represents credit balances. So these are the thumb rule which we have to keep in mind while we have to correct an incorrect trial balance. Okay? First of all, we will have to observe the incorrect trial balance to identify the incorrect items right from the heading of the trial balance. Here in this problem, trial balance heading has been given as trial balance for the year ending 31/12/20. Trial balance heading is incorrect because it should have been written as trial balance as at or as on. So here in this incorrect trial balance, I have shown the correct caption of the trial balance, which is trial balance as at 31/12/20. Now we have to go through all the items as mentioned in the problem. Purchase account represents debit balance, it is okay. Opening stock represents debit balance, it is also okay. Motor car is asset, it should have been debited, instead it has been credited by the inefficient bookkeeper or the accountant. So this requires correction. Sales is income, it represents credit balance, it is correct. Building is asset, it is also in the debit side, it is also correct. Debtors and creditors is, one is in the debit side, other one is the credit side. This is absolutely correct. Furniture is asset, it should have been in the debit, instead it has been shown in the credit side, so it should be corrected. Interest received is income, it is in the credit side, is okay. Capital is liability, personal account, it is in the credit side, it is also okay. Dividend received is income, nominal account, all incomes are credit, so we have to credit it, it is incorrect. Closing stock will not appear in this trial balance because purchase account has not yet been adjusted, so this should be removed from the trial balance. The trial balance has not agreed, and so the accountant or the inefficient bookkeeper has agreed the trial balance by opening a suspense account. If we correct the trial balance in proper line and in terms of principle, suspense account will automatically disappear from the correct one. Now we should show how we have corrected the incorrect trial balance. First of all, purchase account is in the right side, so I have debited purchase account with the value 3,50,000. Opening stock is also in the right side of the trial balance with 1,20,000. I have written the same. Motor car is in the wrong side, it should be the debit side with the value 1,80,500. Next one is sales. Sales is also in the correct side, so it has been written in the credit side with the value as given 7,30,000. Next, building is also in the right side of the trial balance, so it has been shown in the debit side with the value as given 5,10,000. Next, debtors and creditors are also in the right position of the trial balance. So it has been written as given: debtors 1,20,000, creditors 90,500. Next, furniture. Furniture is an asset, so it should be in the debit side, which has been shown in the wrong side, and the value as given 30,500 is put in the debit side of the trial balance to correct it. Interest receipt is in the correct side of the trial balance. With the value as given, I have written 15,700 in the credit side of the correct trial balance. Capital is also in the right side of the trial balance with the value 4,72,800. So I have written in the credit side with the value 472,800. Next one, interest receipt is income. Dividend receipt. It is income. It has been wrongly shown in the debit side of the trial balance. It should be in the credit side. I have shown it in the credit side. 1,500. Closing stock will not come in the trial balance as I told earlier, because purchase account has not yet been adjusted. So closing stock has not been exhibited or shown in the trial balance. And suspense account of rupees 2,24,300 has automatically disappeared with the correction of the trial balance. So total comes in the debit side 13,10,500, and the credit side also rupees 13,10,500. So this is the process of correcting an incorrect trial balance. Very simple. First of all, identify the incorrect items from the incorrect trial balance and put it in the right side of the correct trial balance. And automatically, if you correct the trial balance in terms of principle of preparation of trial balance, it will always agree as with the value as given in the problem. And closing stock will never appear until and unless purchase account is adjusted with the closing stock in the books of accounts. And suspense account has been created for added purpose, for the purpose of agreement of the trial balance. So suspense account has automatically removed or disappeared from the correct trial balance. So this is the procedure of correction of an incorrect trial balance. The very simple. Follow my lecture time and again at home after my video. So this is all for today. Before I close my class, I would once again request all my followers, listeners and students to subscribe my channel and share and like my channel for better distribution among the students community of commerce. Thank you. Goodbye.